Well. Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's almost weekend. Friday, April the 23rd, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus. We have a Sudoku Light and also a Sudoku Heavy. Yes, two regular Sudokus. And I will solve the regular Sudokus first because there is also in this daily newspaper an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 8 extra puzzles in the additional, but first we will solve these babies. And this one will be number 2679, the Sudoku Light. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square has 4 printed digits, so 9 times 4 is 36 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. All right. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? Let me see, which number can I pick? Yeah, how about the 7? We have a 7 in the third row, a 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. All right, do we have all the 7s? Let me check. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1, number 7. All right. How about the number 2? We have a 2 in the third row. We have a 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Digit number 2. All right. And now, how about the number? Let me see. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the row below, the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be there. All right. 9 in the third column, 9 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. All right, 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. All right. Let me see. The 5 in this row, the 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then the 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 number left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Oh, did I continue with the... Oh, I have not counted the 5s. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 5. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this third row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 and the 8. We have a 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 6. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 there. So this box cannot be 6 anymore. That box should be the 6, and this box should be a 4. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this Sudoku Light. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a second with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku heavy it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.